today's game, we are doing a twist on an Easter egg hunt. Instead of going in search of eggs, we have all of them in our little basket. The twist is that I have taken some little Lego-like sets. These are the ones from the dollar store. And we have two little vehicles. All of the parts are inside of our eggs. We have to build it piece by piece in the order of the directions. So we're gonna search through, try and find the piece we need. If it's not the piece we need, we close the egg back out, throw it back in, and then we'll have to try and find it the next time. The first one to build our structure the fastest is the winner. Although I think we're kind of both winners because we both get to keep our little vehicles. So, you ready to get started?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Can I use magic to open?
You wanna use magic to open it? Okay, we'll both do magic. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, look at that. So we have our
magic flew it away.
It's magic flew it away. We have our instructions. We know the order we need to go in. On your mark. Get set. Go.
I don't need that one. Wait.
It has to be any of your piece from your number 1.
No.
You know, I think I may actually try a shake test because the piece that I'm looking for
Or hold it up to
is
the
a bigger one. While we are looking for our pieces, if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, make sure to subscribe down below. We do fun games all the time. You got another one?
Yeah.
Good job.
I'm like an automatic claw machine, and if it's the one I don't want, I'd plop it back in. Hey, I got the piece I needed.
Holy cow, you are flying through this thing.
Yeah. Oh, yay! I found the piece I was looking for.
Awesome.
This could go on for hours.
Hopefully it won't take us that long.
Wheel again!
So many wheels.
The wheel.
Surprise!
Seriously, this video could be a live stream.
I have a feeling that's a piece I'm looking for now. I think it was one of these two. This is it!
Oh!
You gave it away, you tried to hide it, but I still found it.
I was like,
Here we go.
hey, yours is coming together good. Look at mine.
Yeah, that one's although I
It
still
looks like a dog without legs. I mean, like he's laying down and he doesn't got a face.
I think I need this one for my next one, but I have one more piece before I get to move on to that stuff. Oh, and I should have paid attention to what color it was. I didn't even look at the color. I think I may try a new strategy and just go color by color and complete one color because I think I keep getting random ones. So I'm going to do all the pink ones first.
I'm gonna do all the blue ones. I found it! My luck is insane!
Nice. Well done. Did you get it?
Oh.
You are flying through. I'm still on step 2. What step are you on?
Okay, color coding is much easier. I need that. No, I don't.
Oh, okay.
I'm going green.
You're going to start recycling?
Green gum, yo.
Propeller!
Yeah, I found that.
It's gone pretty quiet and the eggs have been opening and closing faster. You can tell we're both getting down to business.
Seriously.
Surprise, it's a wheel.
Oh, got that piece.
He is super speedy.
Got that piece.
Oh my gosh, look at him go.
Hey, that's a piece I need.
Hello.
I need wheels.
Are you onto your wheel seat
Yeah,
now?
I'm all done with it.
Wow, you are
Wheel.
flying. To the top of my helicopter. Now spinning. I'm down to my person. Body.
Where's my wheel?
There's my head.
There's my wheel.
I had it. All right, there's a head. Is it your mine? Oh, I got it. Got my head coming on. I got my hat. Now all I have to do is get my person in. Where does he sit? I don't know where he sits. So he's just gonna sit on top. Check out that helicopter. I am done. Woo woo. Barely ahead of time.
Done.
Done.
He sits back here. He's gonna be like pew pew. He'll take down the helicopter. Whoa. Get on the propeller.
Sit on the propeller?
Yeah.
It's a new ride!
It's a roller coaster.
So that is our twist on the Easter egg hunt. Cameron has his tank, I have my helicopter. You could also play this with puzzle pieces to see who can complete a puzzle the fastest. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you next time. Thanks for joining us. Bye-bye.